Anthony Grasso here, providing you financial news you can use. In this video, I'm going to analyze BLNK charging stock. I will go over a summary of the company, its products and services, financials, and analyst projections, and give it my buy, hold, or sell recommendation. So let's get right into it. So BLNK Charging is a provider of electric car charging stations. They provide for parking facilities, multifamily residences, workplaces, healthcare facilities, educational institutions, airports, and just about any other type of business. Now, BLNK's strategic relationships and often long-term agreements with hundreds of property partners, well-recognized companies, large municipalities, and local businesses will help the company continue to increase market share. I do believe that BLNK charging will grow in the coming years as demand for charging electric vehicles intensifies, but it is, in my opinion, it will take years before BLNK charging justifies right now a $1.8 billion market capitalization. BLNK right now is trading at more than 400 times its trailing revenue of $4.5 million. So let's bring up the stock right now and see exactly what it's doing. So as you can see here, over the past year, I mean, it was trading at about like, $1.2 a share, jumped up to around $9 a share. And just over the past 2 months, it just jumped all the way up to $50 a share. And currently it's trading at $51 a share, down 2.45% today. So let's get into some of the financials right here. So consistently, their negative earnings per share, especially projected in the fourth quarter of 2020. Its total revenues are just lackluster at, it's going to be around 2.76 million or 3 million. They don't have the 2020 numbers out, and it's and basically its operating cash flow is significantly negative in 2019. So let's look at what the analysts say basically. So they have it as a hold and a buy recommendation. I think they're out of their mind. And the analyst price targets right now, it's currently trading at 51. The price targets at the high is $25. At the average, it's 15. At the low, it's 5. That is insane. I don't know how you could have an analyst price target of $25 a share on a high end and have a hold or buy recommendation. So I am a sell recommendation on hold on. Bring it up here. Okay. So I am a sell recommendation on BLNK charging at the current price of $52 a share. I would love to buy BLNK charging, but at a price point of $8 to $10 a share is, for this type of market share they're reaching for. So as you can see, like down here, I believe, I think $6 to $8 a share is what BLNK should be trading at. Definitely not $50 a share. Charging stations will be a commoditized product one day, and partnerships directly with the car manufacturers of electric vehicles is, in my opinion, the only way to survive in the long term. Yes, BLNK does have partnerships with businesses, but they have a very small portion of the marketplace right now, and their financials aren't doing that great. You'll have to reach directly to the consumers, like Tesla's doing with the Tesla charging stations. That your car, it directs your car to the different charging stations and shows you on a map exactly where all that is. Tesla does that right now, but no other charging stations in the United States actually give that capability right now. Right now, the charging station networks in the United States is very fractured, except for the Tesla charging stations out there. So what I would love to see is the car manufacturers do a joint venture in the US to build a proper charging station infrastructure. And I said that in my previous Tesla video. I'm like, the other car manufacturer can't compete right now with Tesla because of the charging station infrastructure issue to compete directly head to head with Tesla. So as of right now, if you wanna go ahead and buy BLNK, that's up to you. That's against my recommendation. Oh, and if you currently hold BLNK right now, I would just sell out. If you have a position in BLNK that you've had, since a couple months ago, and you made your profits from it, just get your profits and move on to another stock. Go to Xpeng, Neo, Tesla, but definitely I do not recommend at the current price. Now, I love the company. Don't get me wrong. I love BLNK charging and the company. I like what they're doing. I just can't justify a $52 or even a 50, or not even close to that price point. So if you like this video, smash that like button down below, and I'll be out with you in the next stock advisory video. Ciao for now.